Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia C01 Plus, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so for me the content is already opened and visible on my screen. Once that is the case for you, simply hold the power button and volume down at the same time. You have this pop-up at the bottom with share and edit options visible for a brief moment, and a couple seconds later it should disappear, like it did just a moment ago. Once it does so, you can find that screenshot in your gallery application. It should be visible under Photos as the newest one, assuming you have just captured it, but if you're trying to find it later on, then it might be easier to navigate to the folders and screenshots. And obviously in this folder you'll find strictly screenshots and nothing else. And here's the one that I have just captured. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.